In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open recent files in Excel. To get started, open Excel on your computer. Once Excel launches, you'll usually land in the File area automatically, which is where Microsoft places options for opening, saving, and managing your workbooks. If Excel opens somewhere else instead, don't worry. Just click the File tab to get to the right place. After that, look toward the left-hand panel. On the home section within this area, you'll see a few helpful sorting and navigation options. These may include categories like recent, favorites, and shared with me. These sections make it easier to find files based on how you've used them instead of searching manually through folders. What you want here is the recent option. Click recent and Excel will display a list of the workbooks you opened lately. This is especially useful if you regularly work with the same spreadsheets and want a quick way to jump back in without browsing through your device or cloud storage. As you look through the list, you may notice file names, locations, or other details that help you identify the workbook you need. Take a second to confirm you're choosing the correct file, especially if you work with several spreadsheets that have similar names. The recent list is designed to save time, so it's one of the fastest ways to continue where you left off. Once you find the workbook you want, simply click it. Excel will open that file for you, and you can begin working right away. That's really all there is to it. Open Excel, go to the File tab if needed, select Recent from the left panel, and click the workbook you want to open. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in your daily workflow, especially if you use Excel often. One quick tip before you go. If a file doesn't appear in the recent list, it may not have been opened recently enough to stay visible there, or it may have been moved to a different location. But as long as it shows up, this method is the fastest way to reopen your latest workbooks. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to open recent files in Excel.